I'm building my dream Porsche, and 99% of it is no longer a Porsche. Today, I'm gonna be tacking in my C7 Corvette subframes. I've developed these custom universal brackets that are gonna make this job a lot easier. And how I'm gonna do that is by jacking these up, rolling them underneath the car, making sure they're level and in the right place, and throwing a tack weld in there. Okay, so first, I'm gonna do the front subframe. It's really important that I have the hub centered on both sides so it fits nicely within this wheel well. Even though I am making my own panels, I do want this to be as close to factory as possible. Knowing what I know about the Corvettes and the C7 setup, the subframe is the lowest part of the car, so I do want to replicate that now with the Porsche. Now that I have the subframe in, it's level and it's where I want it, I am gonna go ahead and tack that in. So this is the community welding jacket in the shop. As you can see, it's 100% polyester and completely fireproof, so I should be just fine. I was a C-section baby, so my head came out a little fucked up. Okay, let's see how good my tack welds really are. Give it 10 seconds before you celebrate. Okay, well, there's the front subframe tack welded in. Again, this is temporary, but it sure is pretty cool to see it like that. It actually is starting to look like a car. Wow. Yeah, no, that's crazy. It's in. It's like, it's not gonna hit until the 2J's in, you know? As soon as I do the motor mounts and actually like mock it in here. Whoa, okay, you just manhandle me. Okay, girl. Okay, cool, let's do the back. Holy fuck, I think I just got a hemorrhoid. Suck it, suck it, suck it. What the fuck? And then he gets into bed at night and he's like, oh, I feel a little sore for some reason. What the fuck? So being that the C7 Corvette subframes are level with the lowest part of the car, I do want to replicate that same ideology into the Porsche. So right now I'm adjusting the height of the subframe to match the bottom of the car. No, because widowing, it turned out so good and so straight. As soon as it gets close to 5 o'clock here, shit just starts to get really weird. No, because widowing, I'm just gonna fit them all as weld. Actually, we're gonna have to add a little piece of metal on both sides. No, you can't do that. It's all off visual. Pull out 6 inches.
You're measuring against your hand?
I was gonna say these 3 are 6 inches, right? That's right.
Oh my God.
Pull out 6 inches.
There. There.
You guys got the exact same.
Hey, we're under.
Modest.
It's about 6, right? It's proportionate.
Holy fuck. I can't see shit.
Beautiful.
Okay, so now I am going to drop the jack and see how good my tack weld's held for the rear subframe. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart. Nope, that wasn't the subframe. Don't get excited. Okay, mint. Well, there you have it. The rear subframe is in, the front subframe is in. Basically, it's done. So see you at SEMA in like 2 weeks or whatever. Okay, well, there you have it. My front and rear subframes of my C7 Corvette with the custom universal brackets that I made are in the Porsche. This is a pretty cool big step. Obviously, it's just another step closer to being complete. There's still a lot of things that need to be done, but for now, it's pretty damn cool to look at how it is.